Well, welcome back to the Steve Rob Show. Today we're talking about spark plugs. Guys, I had to go out and buy two brand new spark plugs for this. A friend of mine came down here from Northern Wells, that's in the Northwest Territories, and we were just sitting at my house talking a little bit, and I was talking about my my lawnmower and my snow blower that I've had a problem with and all this kind of stuff. And he says to me, "Do you modify your spark plugs?" And I go, "No, I just gapped them for the right gap." And he goes, "Well, you should be modifying them." Now guys, he lives in a climate where it's quite common to be minus 30 and minus 40. Guys, you got to see this to believe it. Okay, now you can't use these type of spark plugs. I don't know if you're going to see that or not, but them iridium type or you know, the new ones with the little cone. You have to use a spark plug like this one here. This is one of the brand new ones. It's like, you know, the old-fashioned you know, electrode, no gizmo, no fancy deal. Okay, guys, this is what he's telling me I should do. And I'll put a picture in here of what it looks like before it's done. But what I did was, you have to get a pair of these adjustable pliers, and you put it right on the top here like this, and then pull the electrode up. And after that, you get your little angle grinder or whatever you have to make a 45-degree cut on both sides of your spark plug. Guys, this is what we got here. I hope that comes in the shot there. But if you could see there, that's chamfered on a 45. So it's cut on a 45 and it comes to a point. He's telling me that for really cold weather, and you can only use this for really cold weather, that it gives you a much bigger spark to start when it's really, really cold. A lot of times on machinery, you don't have all kinds of time to get this thing started. The battery goes dead fast, or you're pulling your arms off, or if you flood it. So guys, I'm going to try this in my lawnmower, and we're going to put it in here, and I'm going to run a jumper wire over so we can see it ourselves and see if this gives a bigger spark or not. I'm not too sure if the camera's going to pick it up, but you guys got to check this out. Okay guys, there's the regular spark plug that hasn't been altered. Let's take a look at it. I'll give it a couple of pulls here. Okay, let's go to the next plug now. Okay guys, we're all set up. Turn the lights out. This is the plug that's been altered and chamfered at a 45 to a point. Let's take a look. Okay guys, I'd be curious, like really, what did you think of that? I mean, for me, the one that wasn't altered seemed to be sparking randomly around the electrode. The second one was more focused, and to me it looked like it did make a difference. Now he's saying that it's only good if you're going to use this in cold weather. Apparently warm weather will just chew up that plug like you wouldn't believe. Guys, I don't know what to make of this, but I'm going to try it and see how it works, because this just might be a game changer. I've never seen anything like this before. Have you guys ever heard of this? Apparently up north they've been doing this for a long time. Like I say, on conventional plugs, you know, just a regular resistor style type of plug. Guys, I don't know what to make of this. I'd sure like to hear your thoughts on it if you've ever seen anything like this before. But you know what? I'm giving it a go. So thanks for joining in here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe. And let's have some more fun like this. Cheers, guys.